Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Corsair HS55 not connecting to your Xbox. Now, you want to try the two modes in order to connect with our Xbox. That's going to be the Bluetooth mode. You simply want to hold press on the Bluetooth icon. From there, it will then enter the pairing mode. So you simply want to head over to your Xbox, navigate through the Bluetooth setting, and from there, you then want to connect to your Corsair headset right here. Now, the second method, if that didn't work, is to plug our USB dongle right here onto the USB port of our console, which most likely will be at the front or at the back. Right after that, you then want to change the audio output of your Xbox. Now, in this case, we have the Xbox Series X, but generally the process is going to be the same. You want to head over to the general volume and audio output and make sure that the audio or the headset audio is enabled on this specific options right here. This will enable us to make sure that the audio is being processed to our headset. Once again, you want to try both connections, which is the Bluetooth and the headset method right here, or the USB dongle method. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.